Today we have solving systems. We have three ways to solve any system of equations: by graphing, by substitution, by elimination. First way, solve each system by graphing and check your answer. We have here y equal x minus 3 and y equal negative x minus 1. Step number 1, you have to do isolate y, keep y L1, put it in my slope intercept form, y equal mx plus b. Then you can graph each equation. You can graph it. How can you graph it? Start with the y-intercept like here. The first one, you will start with the y-intercept with negative 3. And my slope here is 1. We have hidden 1 in front of x. So I can make it as a fraction 1 over 1. So from negative 3, I'll move one step up and one to right. Remember, if the slope is positive, you will move up and right. If you have two negative signs, you will move down and to left. Here, after graphing this line, the first line by our usual way, you will graph the second line. Okay, let's see the first line, x minus 3. So here, negative 3. Here, y is negative 3. I moved one step up and one to right. Then we will complete to form the line. The second one, start with y-intercept, which is negative 1. Then move here in negative. The slope here is negative. It means we will move left or we will move down. Here negative 1 on y, where is negative 1? Here. Then you can move down. You can move down and to right, one step down and one step to right, like that. Or you can move up and to left, up, one step up and one to left. Okay, after graphing the two lines, we should find the intersection point between the two lines, which is this point. This point here is my solution. How can I read it? X and y. It will be here 1 and negative 2. How can you check your answer? Substitute in each equation in your system here. Instead of x, I'll use number 1. Instead of y, I'll use number negative 2. In each one, in y equal x minus 3 and y equal negative x minus 1. Here. If both of them right, so your solution is right. Here by graphing. So how can, if the graph is given, how can you read the point? Here, my intersection point here, I read x, then y. If there is no intersection point between the two lines, if you got two parallel lines, so there is no solution. Second way, by substitution. First step, as I said, you should put y alone here. Y is here. So I'll move positive 2x to the other side. It will be negative 2x. This equation is given y equal x minus 4. And the second one, here, you can make here y equal negative 2x plus 5. So negative 2x plus 5 equal x plus minus 4. Or in another way, you can use this y from the second equation into the first equation as 2x as it plus y. Instead of y, I'll put x minus 4 here. Instead of y, I'll put x minus 4 equal to 5. Okay, 2x plus x is 3x minus 4. Move it to the other side, it will be plus 4. 5 and 4 is 9. Divide, so x equal to 3. After getting x, you should find y in any equation. So your solution will be 3 and negative 1. Put it as an ordered pair. By elimination. Elimination means we should cancel y or x. Okay? If we have same coefficient, we will eliminate direct. Like here, I have here negative 2y and positive 2y. Okay, same coefficient, number 2 here. the number in front of y or the number in front of x. Remember, if you have different sign, add your equations. If you have same sign, subtract your equations. So here, negative 2y went with positive 2y. Add x and 5x, it will be 6x. Negative 19 plus 1 is negative 18. Divide by 6, so I got x equal to negative 3. After getting x, you can substitute in any equation of them. In the first one or the second one, finally you got your ordered pair, negative 3 and 8. Here we used subtraction. Why subtraction? Because I have same sign. Positive 4y, positive 4y. If you add positive 4 and positive 4 will be positive 8. I need to eliminate it. So we will subtract. Positive 4 minus 4 will be 0. So we will subtract here. Same sign, subtract. Then when you make 3x minus negative 2x, minus negative means positive, so it will be 5x. It will be 5x. Can you see here the sign? Negative, negative means positive, so it's a 5x. 18 minus 8 equal 10. Divide by 5, so x equal 2. After getting x, you can substitute in any equation to find y. So your solution here is 2 and 3. The last one, if I haven't same coefficient, can you see here x? In front of x here I have 2, here negative 1, here is 1, here is 3. So you can use multiplication before elimination. How can you multiply? If you need to eliminate x, you multiply by 2. So you have 2x here and 2x here, so you can eliminate. If you need to eliminate y, you can multiply the first one by 3. So you have here 3y and 3y, so you can eliminate, okay? Here, he multiplied the second equation by 2. Anyway, is right. He multiplied the second equation by 2. So I have here the first one, 2x plus y equal to 3 as it. And the second one, multiply the whole equation. So it will be negative 2x plus 6 plus 6y, 2 times 3 is 6, equal 2 times 12 is 24. Then you have here different signs, so we will add 2x and negative 2x went, okay? Y and 6y is 7y. 3 and negative 24 is negative 21. Divide, so y equal negative 3. After getting y, you can substitute in any equation before multiplication or after multiplication is right. Then finally, I got my ordered pair, 3 and negative 3. Here we make a revision on solving system of equations by graphing, by substitution, by elimination.